Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to prune the suckers off of your tomato plants. Here's a clip from the show. If we were looking at this plant here, so my first clip is here, and then I got a leaf, 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 fruit, leaf, leaf, fruit. So I'm going to put this clip between the leaf, leaf. So it's going to go right there. And then I want to take off the suckers that are growing on the plant because I just want the one stem. And so I'm going to go through. I usually like to try to identify the top of my plant, which is this. So any suckers above this fruit that's blooming right now, I'm going to leave on just so I don't cut the top of the plant out. And also in case I damage the top of the plant, I have some suckers that I can replace it. And I also got a sucker coming way down here that you got to look all the way. Okay, so like that. So this plant is pruned, ready to go. And I'm just going to work my way all the way around the tomatoes. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 14. If you'd like to follow the tomato plants all season long, you can enroll in the High Performance Garden Show. It's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.